Hi everyone. I will change settings, wait, and hold my camera. Hi everyone, because I put camera to the roof, car roof. Hi everyone. Fields Avenue again. And today I already filming in Fields Avenue maybe 2 hours ago, and have fire again in the Red Street. Today maybe I will upload video from the Fields Avenue and I will show to you. Choking now. Close. I don't know when we open again. Maybe one more month. I will ask. Hi. Are choking for long time close? You
What?
For long time close. You don't know when.
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. Okay, thank you. Under renovation right now. I use wireless microphone so you can hear my voice, but I don't want more talk here in this street. Today police already, I see many motorcycles confiscate without helmet, also tricycle, I see tricycle confiscate, maybe don't have document. Los Angeles City Traffic Development Office. I will check now rates, how much rates now. Sorry, I cannot read comments because now I'm walk only with camera and my phone in the pocket now. One in pocket, one in the backpack. Time now in the Philippines 6:40. But not many people in before and later. Maybe after. Maybe midnight, maybe, I don't know. I will try next time, maybe I will go to Fields Avenue at midnight, I don't know. Maybe more people. I already walk 5, 6, 7, 8. The same, not many people. 60-25 here, 60-25. JJ. Deep excavation. I think it's for a long time. Maybe need 2-3 years. Here 60-20, 60-20. Okay, same 60-20.
Inilalap na tayo sa sunod, si Pia.
Now my camera more attention because I hold with power bank together and holder also. Already big device. But I also recording also 4K, so after I can upload video in good quality. Veterans advocate. Veterans. I think many veterans in Angeles City. $60.25. Almost the same. I will check now in Norma. Norma. Maybe also the same. New massage, new spa. They say it free massage here. I don't have people, no? I never seen people inside. I see it's owner foreigner. Tall guy. I think he is owner. $7-Eleven. Okay, first I will check Norma. Guys, I don't know about quality. It's 5G hotspot from my phone. In China I will buy pocket Wi-Fi 5G. Because hotspot it's for not long time and my battery will dead soon if I use always. Dimple bar. Dimple also restaurant have. Need Mama San. Models Mama San. 500 salary. Salary 500. I don't know. Can work in normal work for 500 salary. I remember Shira said minimum 500 per day in McDonald's. If over how to say, more time, then sometimes 800, sometimes 700 peso. Overtime, yes. Norma still open. I will check how much. Norma 60, 50. A little bit high. Almost the same. Usually they exchange $100. If $100, it's not big money. Today one subscriber said about Leon. Maybe only you not allowed to filming in the Red Street. Walking Street. I can go to Walking Street, Red Street filming. If I'm not asking, for example, just only go and take video. Most of people not pay attention. I see many filming But if I ask, can I take video and film? They said, of course not. Because Korean pay maybe money for you know who. That's why they not allowed. But if I ask mayor office, they said it's public street, allowed of course. They cannot say to me need permission. Not need permission. I asking already many people. I just don't want. I don't want problem. Because if they pay for remove blogger who use camera, they can pay for some criminal. Right? What do you think? I don't want to. I want to just walk. It's okay for me. Fields Avenue, like this, is walk. Not problem. Any street here. I don't want to. If I take video in Red Street, I always need to edit video because always YouTube moderator say it is adult video. What can I do? Of course, I need edit again. Sometimes 5 times, 7 times I edit video. Edit. I cannot upload because they say no, it's not. But if Fields Avenue, no, it's okay. Sometimes I edit. If have music, copyright music, I just cut. Or if girls near bar sit, I just only cut with parts. And okay, I try not filming in the bar, near bar, because it's a YouTube moderator say need cut this video. Who YouTube moderator? YouTube moderator is Filipina, boy or girl, Filipina. I talk with my friend from Russia. He is a YouTube moderator. He said only local people can do YouTube moderator, not foreigner. If in the Philippines, if you upload video in the Philippines, YouTube moderator Filipina. You see, they see my camera, they say hi. Because I not hide camera. But if I go to Red Street, I need again edit video and video not allowed. No, it's okay here, walk. Not problem. So near bars is... Oh, thank you. Hi. Live stream now, you can watch. This guy long time already here work. He sell cigarette. I know him maybe already from my first day, and also my friends know him. He's from province. And he work here. Long time, maybe 15 years, maybe. Yes, maybe 15 years. Oh, noisy. Someday I will take a video what I don't like in the Philippines. But I will upload to new channel, Philippine Unfiltered, because in this channel already have same video. I need update. I want to show, I want to explain what I don't like in the Philippines and also what I like in the Philippines. When I walk daytime, it's about 5 p.m. 5 p.m. I walk and I see fire trucks. We drive to Red Street. Also, I see subscriber from Australia. Make us close. A long time already close. Swiss chalet still for sale. I asking today guy who working in Swiss chalet. He said still for sale, but they want to change big banner. They want to install. Tequila Reef. People see it. It's popular. But I think in Kokomas more people, because in Kokomas you can see girls from the bar. I see funny. I see this girl today in Jollibee with Filipino guy. Oh, windy now. Today little bit rainy. Yesterday heavy rain, heavy. I clean my car today, and today I use car because I expect rain. That's why I don't want to use motorcycle. If rain, no, not need to motor, only car. Diesel now already I see for 85 peso. 85. But before 150. No, I not buy for this price. Last time I buy full tank for 48 peso. And I still so much full tanks because I not use car. Massage is empty, don't have people. One euphoria. I know, this girl go with customers, yes. I know, it's business here. Fields Avenue business. That's why people go to even Filipina, not only foreigner. For Filipina, price is cheaper here. But foreigner, Filipino not going to the Fields Avenue or Walking Street, Red Street, because Korean bar expensive. Take a look, sales office. No, I think invest money here in Angeles. I think it's not good idea invest money. But if you have money, if people have so much money and don't know where invest, it's okay. But not for me. Now have so many choices where I can invest money and more safety. But Angeles, it's not good for investment, I think. You see, don't have people. New peak of luxury. We can check later.